So this is my first time using the Biore Charcoal Deep Pore Charcoal Cleanser, and I must admit it was a little tingly, obviously from the charcoal. This was also my first time using the Biore Charcoal Free Micellar Cleaning Water, which I like. It helps with oily spots right here, well, pretty much in my T-zone area, and it's really sensitive actually around my piercings, which is pretty cool. My skin is probably still looking a little wet to you guys, but it feels so good and it feels so refreshing. This was pretty cool. Very simple, cheap. I got it from Walmart for about $3, and I also got the micellar water for $2. So I think it's something I may put into my nightly routine. So just stick around and see what I'm using, because I like to rotate stuff a lot. But I think I'm gonna actually keep this one in the new that I feel is actually working, as my skin looks and feels amazing. Alright, as always guys, I'm out of here.